Turn on your phone, press on play, and earn money. It's that simple. Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video where I'm gonna teach you how to make money with doing simple things. So watch the rest of the video because today's video is on a special website that can make you money just by watching videos. When you open the website, there is a 4-minute video right there, and you can watch that and you can make $3 just by watching that. In addition, you can watch many additional videos on this website on your computer or mobile device. Do not miss to pay close attention to do not miss any crucial information. Visit this website gg2u.org. You can sign up right away for this website, which is completely free. Simply completing surveys, playing games or watching movies can get you started earning money. In this video, we'll highlight how to watch videos and earn money. One of the easiest is this, and the easiest approach that anyone can accomplish without any experience. The nicest part about this website is that if you create a free account, you can get $1 for free. Your first name, email address, username and password are all that is required. You can see that they welcome applicants from all over the world by clicking the down arrow on the country column. With this global opportunity, it doesn't matter where you are from or which country you are living in. You can still make money online. Simply check this box to agree the terms and conditions after entering all of your information. Then click this orange sign up button. By simply creating a free account, you can get $1 for nothing here. Another reason I like this website is that there are many different ways to get paid. Payment options include PayPal, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, as well as gift card. You can also receive your money using Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer or any other payment method if you are coming from one of the countries where you do not have a PayPal account. You have many options to watch various videos online and earn money thanks to this website. They offer a rate of 65 to 85%, which is exceptionally high compared to other websites' rates of 40 to 60%. After completing registration process on this website, you will notice "Welcome to GG2U. We are a very high paying source for survey routers and offer balls. You can also watch videos and they'll pay you up to 65 or even 85% of what you watch. You can see that for every 100 coins you have, they give you $1. On this website, you will get paid in coins, and after receiving 100 coins, you can convert the coins into cash. You can earn $1 for every 100 coins. And once you reach $7 or 700 coins, you can start withdrawing your money. Clicking this orange click to continue button will take you to the next page where you can begin making money right away. Remember that $1 is equal to 100 coins. Therefore, when you click on that button, you will see this. To start earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. On this website, there are a ton of offers you can do, and by completing them, you can create numerous streams of revenue. But once again, our focus will be on watching videos, so try to do them as soon as possible. If you want to earn more money, make sure to continue and finish these offers. However, if all you want to do is earn money by watching videos, go all the way to the bottom of this page and click I'm done with this page. You'll then log into your account after that. You can see that there are so many other companies and so many other offers when you scroll down below. For instance, AdGem, Peanut Labs, AdGate Media and Offer Toro. There are all pretty well-known companies that provide you with some special offers you can take advantage of to start earning money. You can watch videos, download apps and complete surveys. Simply click on any of these companies to complete the offers and begin earning money. I'll give you another example. Click on this icon if you want to click on AdSend Media. You will arrive to the official AdSend Media website where you can complete further offers to make money online. You can also get money by taking surveys, signing up for free trials and downloading mobile apps. On just one website, there are tons of chances available at once. You can simply click this video button to begin earning money by simply watching videos. As you can see, autoplay video for every 200 video points you earn. You'll receive a silver token which will add $1 up to your $3 to your account balance. You can also notice earn video points by simply completing any of these videos if you scroll down below. You can watch videos on food, viral videos, or chillax videos to make money online. You can watch any of these channels. There are so many videos as you scroll down below that you can even click load more offers to get an infinite number of videos that you can watch to keep earning money. You can use any device to take advantage of this opportunity for free, whether you choose to watch them on an iPhone or an Android phone. Just click this next button once you've completed watching videos. As you can see, there are 9 additional videos that you can watch. This is an excellent method for you to keep watching the videos repeatedly and earn a lot of money online. You can simply switch to the next channel and continue watching videos after you finished with one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video informative. Be your best. See you guys in a bit.